Getting arrested for driving under the influence can be a stressful time. Intoxalock is here to help you through the process of getting back on the road. Step 1. Receive suspension information. Your license could be suspended for 90 days, up to 4 years, depending on your DUI offense and prior offenses. Step 2. Install an ignition interlock device. Intoxalock has installation locations throughout the entire state of Washington. Call us today, and one of our state specialists will schedule an installation appointment at a location near you. Step 3. Apply for an ignition interlock driver license to regain your driving privileges. You will be eligible for an ignition interlock driver's license as long as you have an unexpired driver's license, were not suspended for a minor in possession offense, and were not suspended for a habitual traffic offender offense. You can apply for an ignition interlock driver's license by completing a restricted driver's license application found on the Washington State Department of Licensing website and filing for SR22 insurance. Once you submit your documents to the Department of Licensing, they will review your application and send you your ignition interlock driver's license upon approval. If you need an ignition interlock device, call 888-655-3579 today. Our state specialists are available 24/7 to help walk you through your state's process. Relax, we're here to help.